Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. As you know that I come live on Sunday onto my YouTube channel, that's Fun with Data Science. So this Sunday, that's on 30th of January, I'll be coming live onto my YouTube channel, Fun with Data Science. And what are we going to cover about? So we're going to cover about the Python project. Okay, we'll be making up a cool Python project that will actually help you to build up your resume, and which will actually help you to keep up your resume a little different from other people. Okay, so this is what we are gonna do up onto this Sunday, that is 30th of January, and the time will be 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so it will be a Sunday and 5 p.m. in the evening, that's on 30th of January. So come, do join me. Let's make up some cool stuffs of Python. Let's use Python for making up some cool projects, and let's them showcase onto our resume. So do join me on 30th January 5 p.m. See you there in the live. So till then, thank you and take care.